Hello and welcome to my channel, The Enthusiast Garage. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to clean your car headlight using acetone vapor. So let's get to it. All right, so this method is a bit different than the traditional headlight cleaning method, and it comes with an acetone vapor canister. So that's a kit that I got from Amazon. I will link it down below. It comes with sandpaper, masking tape, acetone in this bottle, and this canister. It's like a heating mug. You put the acetone in it, connect it to your car, and it emits vapor. I didn't want to use a regular sandpaper. I wanted to use my own tool. So I bought this kit, and it's a pretty nice kit because it comes with the pads, the disc over here, and then 80, 120, 180, all the way to 5,000 grit. So I'm gonna show you how to clean the headlights step by step. Here's the headlights. And those actually, this is the E46 M3. Those stances can be completely removed to clean or change. And I actually changed them, I think, less than 2 years ago. So they are not that old, yet they are very oxidized now, and they show it's like very cloudy. So I'm gonna clean them out and we'll see how it goes. All right, so those are the sanding papers we're gonna be using. 180, 240, 400, 800, that's 1500, and 2000. 180 is only recommended if you have a lot of deep scratches on your headlights. So I am gonna do it now on my headlights, even though they're not that bad, just for demonstration purposes. But if you start with 240, it should be fine. So in reality, you just need 5 of them. All right, so I removed the corner light. In the E46, pretty easy, just one screw here. I figured it's better than masking it. And I do have this like trim. I just popped it out. So first step is going to be to clean the headlight. I haven't cleaned the car yet, so I'm just gonna use Windex. And just pretty much to clean all the dirt and residue that's sitting on it. All right, so now I have a spray bottle just with water in it. And you're gonna be doing this between every step because this is wet sanding. You don't wanna do dry sanding on it. So looking at it now, I'm actually gonna skip the 180 and start with 240. I don't think my headlights are that bad for me to use 180 to start with. So I'm using this pad that came with a kit. And I'm gonna spray water on the sanding paper. And then the goal is to go vertical and horizontal on it. So take your time, don't overdo it on one spot. Just like when you buff a car, you don't want to ruin the plastic. Now we move to the 400. All right, now we're doing the 800. All right, now we're doing the 1500. Okay, and now finally the 2000, the final step. All right, and that's how it should look like. Very hazy, no scratches, and now we can start with the acetone vapor. All right, so I plugged it in. It takes like a good 3 to 5 minutes to warm up. You'll feel it hot. It's not gonna be like hot to the touch, like burning, but you'll feel it. I can see some vapor coming out of it. I cleaned the headlights with alcohol wipes. And now as soon as I start pumping more vapor, I'm gonna start with it. Let's see. Here we go. So it's still not pumping a lot of vapor, but it is pumping some vapor. So the longer you wait, the more it's gonna pump, but I'm gonna start with it slowly now. All right, so here's a before and after. That's the headlight that I didn't touch yet. And that's the one I just did. So I'm pretty happy with the results. It didn't take me long. It's a pretty quick process. If I wasn't filming, it's probably like 5 minutes worth of labor. So the only thing I need now is the clear coat spray, but I don't have the headlight clear coat spray. I don't want to spray any clear coat on it now and ruin the finish. So I'm gonna wait till it come in and just hit it or wipe it with a clear coat to protect it. That way it will last longer. So, all right, so I just finished the second headlight. It looks pretty nice. I like the result. Overall, this kit is pretty cheap. It doesn't take long, so I definitely do recommend it. They don't look brand new like they used to when I first changed the lens. There's still some haziness, but overall, it's a pretty good product. So thank you guys for watching and see you next one. Bye.